Hi guys, welcome to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making macaroni pie. It's creamy, it's rich, and it's super cheesy. So stay tuned to see how I make mine.
Here are our ingredients. We have mayonnaise, cheese, tin milk, an egg, cornflour, garlic, chopped onion, salt, ketchup, nutmeg, and pasta. So we're going to start with the pasta. Just need to boil it with a little bit of salt in the water and cook them until they're al dente, which means not super soft, still have a little bit of a bite to it because they will continue to cook in the oven. Now for the sauce to bake our pasta in. We're going to start with our mayo to cook that first, as it will cook in the oven. Our tin milk, an egg, and then start just by whisking all that together to get everything incorporated until we add the next ingredients. Then you can add your mustard, hot pepper sauce, depending on how hot you'd like it. I just put a teaspoon, and then your ketchup. Fold all this together to ensure that it's nice and smooth and you don't have any lumps of anything in there. Finally, you just want to grate in our nutmeg. Now for the cheese. So the recipe asks for 600 grams. I'm going to put 2/3 of that in because the last third we're reserving that to put on top when we put it in the dish and bake it. You just want to fold all of this together until it's all combined evenly and get ready to add the pasta once it's cooked. So the pasta mix is done. It's coated nice and evenly with the cheese mix and it's ready for the oven. I've got here my baking dish and I've lined it with greaseproof paper just to make it easier to take out. Gonna put it all in, top it with the remaining cheese, don't forget to do that, and bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes on 170 degrees C or until it's nice and golden brown. So here we have it. Look at the top of this. It's golden, it's crisp. I can't wait to cut this open. And the inside is so dense and compact. This is exactly how a mac and cheese should be.
As always guys, thank you for watching and I appreciate you joining me. If you're enjoying these recipes, please share and hit the subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 recipes each week on a Sunday and Thursday evening to keep everyone inspired at home, so make sure you see them first. Feel free to DM or comment below if you have any other questions. Until the next time, peace and love.